Good day, Ma'am Sir. I am Chucky Danao, 38 years old, married, and a high school graduate. I have two kids, one girl, 18 years old, and one boy, 15 years old. I have only one brother, and I am the firstborn. I have work experience here in Philippines as housemaid. I serve 5 members in the family, 2 adults ages 45 and 43 years old, and their children 15, 18, and 12 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, washing, ironing clothes, cleaning, gardening, and car wash, and marketing. I have also work experience in Saudi Arabia for 4 years, 6 months, start February 2020 until June 2024 in one employer. I serve 7 members in family. 2 adults ages 45 and 40 years old, and their 5 siblings 30, 28, 26, 22, and 18 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, marketing, gardening, and washing car. If you hired me to my employer, If you hired me, I will do my duties and responsibilities well, and I promise I will be finished my contract. Good day, Ma'am Sir. God bless you always. Thank you.